Let's record this for you, Liam. Just for you, baby.
Do you hear the voice as well? Or is it just no?
I think you hear our voices in Discord, but
That's fine.
it's only us that's gonna watch it anyway.
True. Actually, I shouldn't install this mid-game, should I? Crash Overwatch. I'm installing GeForce Experience quickly. But I just realised if you've got a what do you call it?
Up, y'all.
That's what I'm trying to say, to be honest. If you've got an application that's using what the fuck? If you've got an application open that's using GPU, then it usually causes that to crash when you're doing like graphic drivers.
Oh, really?
Yep. So I really shouldn't be. Oh, this is a mistake. I need to cancel. I can't cancel this too late. It's already begun.
I didn't have a problem when I did it.
It doesn't always do it, but it can do it. What's this? Oh wait. Oh, it's already done. Okay.
You avoided the crash, Liam. Well,
That was.
did you notice this morning there's a 1 gig background download for Overwatch?
Yeah, it was a background list, a background thing. Wasn't
Any
it?
idea what it was? With no mention
Not a
of it.
clue. Not a clue. No, I haven't got a slightest clue what it could be.
Oh, Liam.
Yikes.
I would just land on it perfectly, wouldn't I? I fucking
Tracer
would.
behind.
Of all
She
the
won?
places for him to fucking pour it out, it's exactly where I landed. There was no run into it. I jumped over the wall and just landed on it.
Very low.
Revenge for my countrymen. Oh.
Is that right?
Fuck again.
Right, set.
Two entries.
I'm behind them. I'm one of them.
Yeah, there's also a big shield in your way.
Oh, I dashed into a swing. I'm feeding.
Yeah.
Sorry, I won.
Can someone else die so I don't feel bad, please? Nathan, can you die, please?
But the Ash is going too soon.
I think she is. You're keeping her alive. I don't like it. Someone's behind her, see them.
Sorry
Oh,
for
for
being an
fuck's sake, I'm
ass.
dead again. I'm dead again. Hardcore
Yeah.
feed. Nathan.
You feeding this?
Yes. Someone else die, please. I feel so bad that I'm the only one dying. I'll just pretend that I was messing around, okay?
You ready for Nano?
No. Soon, no.
Zaya's behind. And
Sorry,
Tracer.
and the Tracer.
Swear to God, that blows me up. Killed him.
I think we should just regroup.
No, I'm pretty much ready for that. No.
Ready?
Oh, even more ready for Nano now. Wait, almost. 4 seconds, okay? I'm gonna dash up behind them. Ready?
Free blade,
Keep broken.
Genji. Free blade.
Rip.
Ah.
You're still alive, you're good. I mean, you forced grab out of him as well.
Yep. Right. Killed him and got grab. Fuck you, cunt. Nicely.
There you go.
Fucking I'm getting focused by Zaya. Have I offended them somehow?
Probably. Is there anyone from the last game?
I don't know. I don't think so. Have a look. Read the names out in the enemy team for me quick.
Smefferson, Raytheon, Jazz Mono, Benny, Kuroko, and some Chinese dude.
No, none of them the same.
I just don't like you.
They just hate me. I'm really ready now.
80%.
Tracy low behind. Close to be cool.
Trace on me. Liam, I'm ready.
Okay,
so-
I'm behind them. Go.
He's one. Thank you.
I only got the support of it, but I think I'll do.
They have
No,
Sim.
not the sim. Oh, shoot sim turrets, go. Fucking sim turrets.
Oh fuck. Moira got in the way of my grenade.
Ha. That's what you get for fucking grabbing me again, you cunt. Right, I can log into my... What's my password for...
I think my biggest flaw with Anna, my positioning is shite.
Do you reckon?
Yeah. I'm either too far away or too close. I'm just getting focused by Tracer.
Hmm.
I mean, she hasn't killed me, but if she was a good Tracer, I'd be dead every time.
Trying to work out what my fucking... Fuck it, we're logging in with Google. I don't know what my details are. Oh shit, we're defending me. I need to be here. Next. Enter your password.
Never stop fighting for what you believe.
What an interesting hypothesis.
Oh shit, I haven't even got the updated driver. Fucking hell. Got to update my drivers when I
Rip.
reinstalled.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
Healing in hand.
I got it, I got it!
Is that a feeding Moira, I see?
Attackers incoming.
Makanzo. Yep. Oh, Widow. Oh, I almost fucking reflect. If she'd hit me with a headshot, she was dead.
Leave a mech low. Out.
Weird monkey.
Tracer for me, behind.
Tracer behind.
Get back in the fight.
Oh shit. I was just staring off at the fucking widow.
What
I was just looking at her for like ages, like, is that a widow? Oh, shit.
Is this a widow? Oh, jeez.
Fuck. I fed so hard, fucking hard there.
My ultimate ability is charging. You
Right.
have my thanks. Join with me.
Into the back.
Oh, what was that shot?
Shit. Oh, I'm stuck. Rip. And I just killed our Ash.
Great. I think you said good then.
No one can hide from my
Yeah, I got stuck and I ran back and Ash ran back with me.
Out of the fight.
Yeah.
When I upload this thing, can you just ignore this round? Just focus on the first round.
I can do that. Although I need to see all your plays, not just one, you know. I mean, you got nano, baby.
Yeah, I got it now.
Oh, you got it. Okay. Might be able to do it soon. Maybe not now, but
Tracer coming top.
I'm
one.
almost dead.
Okay. She's almost.
No.
I was gonna say she's almost there too.
I should have pinged that earlier for our Moira.
I'm not ready to hang it up.
I missed the grenade on my feet.
I can't climb rocks. God, there's traces. So bad. So she's not being punished for she's. If you can see me, but nano do it.
You're powered up. Get in there.
Tracer slip.
Beautiful sleep there, Anna.
I turned on deflected. It's on cooldown. Oh, I died to Venom mine. Okay, that's fine.
Okay, Liam.
Yeah?
If you watch any part of this game, just watch that sleep on Tracer.
Okay.
That's all I'm gonna say.
Where are you gonna send it? Oh, can you upload it to YouTube?
Oh yeah, I'll upload it to YouTube and then I'll.
Ah.
Oh god, I'm not gonna send you fucking like a couple 100 meg file.
Yeah.
I realized.
Behind you, Anna. Behind you. Oh my god.
See, I don't quite know how to heal my Orisa from there.
I'm dead.
I need healing.
Watching your back. Nap time.
Tracer behind slept.
Wait, don't wake her up, don't wake her up, don't trust me. Thank you. Thank you for believing in me.
Welcome.
Nice sleep, by the way.
Thank you. That's 2 for 2 now on Tracer.
Yeah.
Well, I say 2 for 2, like 2 in 10.
Hmm.
You're going to be okay.
Tell me when you got blade, by the way. I mean, nano.
I got blades now. I ain't got nano yet though.
Okay.
Fuck, I got kill Ash.
Monkey's holding to get me. Fucking hell. Guy's got a huge fucking hard on for me. Go away.
I think he's throwing fucking pasta at me.
Oh, your head.
Wow.
She's got some pasta and she's throwing pasta at me.
That Raytheon guy, the whole game, he was died the first round. He just fucking solo grabbed me and fucking going for me. And now he's on Monkey and he just won't leave me alone. Right, I can now tap through Nano Blade. Let me get it.
I can use some healing.
Ready? David, go.
Might kill me. Shit.
Get in
I think I got it on you.
That's actually bullshit.
Ash is right, guys, by the stairs. She's just taking 3 shots.
Die, Monkey.
I'm being distracted at the moment by Vicky.
Throwing pasta at you.
Throwing pasta and hamster food at me. Careful, Liam.
Yeah, I'm gonna die to Tracer probably.
Okay.
Thank you. You got nano almost? Okay, I might have to nano. I might have to play for it now.
Yeah, played it well.
Fuck me.
Nice, Diva.
Yeah, I only have bronze damage. I
bronze?
carried this game. Yeah.
Jesus.
Very nice. Good
Yeah, I
job,
got
everyone.
carried. I mean, Bastion should be gold damage. Still, I don't know who
Who's
came.
silver? Diva?
I don't know. Probably Diva.
2
Yeah, Diva does a lot
SR
of
from
damage.
Diamond again.
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 Another one.